Hey y'all, this is a 10-minute heart opening yoga session for emotional release to help you invite softness and self-love back into your body. My name is Leah, or you guys can call me Baby Scorpio, and I'll be your yoga instructor for this session. Let us begin. Namaste. We're going to start off in easy pose with our legs crossed and our hands on our heart with our eyes closed. We're going to inhale through our nose and exhale through our mouth. I want you to continue to deep breathe as you gently roll your shoulders back to open up your chest, and I say this affirmation. With each breath, I soften my heart and I release what no longer serves me. We're going to transition into a tabletop position, and we're going to inhale, dropping our belly, lifting our chin into cow pose, and exhaling, rounding our spine and releasing our neck in cat pose. And I want you to synchronize your breath and your movement as I say this affirmation. I subconsciously trust the rhythm of my healing. We're going to transition back into our tabletop position and walk our hands forward as we melt our chest down to the mat. Keep your hips above your knees with your heart reaching down, and I want you to deep breathe into your upper chest and shoulders as you absorb this affirmation. It's safe for me to be open, to feel, and to love. We're going to slowly rise up, stepping our right foot forward and sinking our hips low into low lunge with a heart lift as we inhale, reaching our arms up to gently open our chest, and exhale to draw our palms to our heart. And we're going to switch sides as you continue to deep breathe and absorb this affirmation. I release the weight of the past and I open myself to true love. We're going to transition by lying over a pillow or a block under our back. We're going to let our arms rest open with our palms facing up. And we're going to soften our jaw and unclench our heart space in supported fish pose as I say this affirmation. My heart radiates compassion, forgiveness, and peace. We're going to slowly remove that block or pillow from our back and bring the soles of our feet together with our knees wide open. We're going to place one hand on our heart and the other on our belly as we deep breathe, and I want you to visualize a soft pink or green light flowing around your chest as I say this affirmation. I am open to love within and all around me. And we're going to transition into Savasana by extending our legs long and fully relaxing as you whisper to yourself this affirmation. My heart is healing, my heart is whole, my heart is free. My heart is healing, my heart is whole, my heart is free. We're going to slowly rise up to a seated position with our palms together in front of our chest, and I want you to repeat this affirmation. Thank you, heart, for guiding me back home. Thank yourself for showing up to this yoga session. You are worthy of investing in your mind, body, and soul. If this video helped you, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and share this video with somebody who may need a pause in their day. I will see you guys in the next one. Namaste.